Did you know specialized oil and gas contracts contain 23 industry-specific provisions that standard training misses? This knowledge gap creates vulnerability in one of the world's most complex contractual environments. Without proper expertise, organizations misinterpret critical provisions on reserves, production sharing, and environmental liability. Compliance failures create legal exposure while companies accept unfavorable terms impacting profitability for decades. For professionals, inadequate knowledge creates immediate challenges. Teams struggle with terminology and practices, limiting career advancement. Inconsistent approaches create coordination problems and compliance risks. This course addresses the unique requirements of oil and gas contracts. You will master exploration agreements, production sharing contracts, joint operating agreements, and service contracts with focus on industry-specific considerations. Organizations benefit through improved contractual outcomes, enhanced compliance, and stronger negotiating positions. Risk management improves as teams understand industry-specific exposures. Operational efficiency increases as contracts align with business objectives. Proper management prevents costly disputes that disrupt operations. Participants develop specialized knowledge enhancing their professional standing. You will gain confidence managing complex relationships unique to oil and gas operations. Teams adopt consistent approaches to contract management, improving coordination across projects. Master the specialized contracts driving oil and gas operations. Transform complex agreements into strategic advantages. Join us to gain essential skills that enhance your effectiveness in this challenging contractual environment.